Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. 2 hours to go. And then we get to find out what's going on with Virgin Galactic, the #1 space tourism company in the world, where the investor speaks and gets listened to. All right, here's my portfolio. Down big today. Okay, remember, it's always exaggerated. I'm not really down 4.5%. I am, of course, but I'm not on the balance you are looking at. In reality, I'm down about 1% today. I am all in on margin, so it exaggerates the downs and it exaggerates the ups. That's just the way it works. It doesn't mean I'm down 4.5%. That's not how it works, okay? Right, let's go straight into it and let's have a look. My overall portfolio is down. The Roth IRA, where we've done no trading at all, it's down just 1.2, and I'm just holding a defensive stock. So you get the idea. That's Coca-Cola, you can see, and some Tesla. Not much Tesla, by the way. Okay, $52,000 from $5,000. Okay, we're okay with that. So let's go into our portfolio and see what we got. And here we go. So Virgin Galactic's been going sideways all day. It's hit exactly to the cent, literally to the cent, where I bought it, where I claimed the bottom to be, to the cent. Pretty good, right? As you can see, my average is 157. That's the bottom where I bought it. And as you can see, I am literally flat, exactly at 157. Not below, not above, exactly where I said the bottom was. Let's see if we remain there. Okay. PLTR, Palantir, down. Gold going down. The S&P down. Amazon massively oversold, going down. Overbought, going down. Apple going down. Enphase Energy trying to push up, down but trying to push up. Enphase Energy holding above my my $70 recent purchases. Coca-Cola down today. Defensive stocks down. J&J down. Kenvue down. Best value stock you can buy right now on the stock market. If you look at the balance sheet, this is the best value you can buy right now. Chevron down. Tesla down. Rivian down. It's red across the board. McDonald's down. Google, I recently got in with Google. I said it's a great value stock, way better than Microsoft. And I'm up on it, $1.77, $4,000. So I've got $4,000 if I want to sell Google and take 1.76% profit. I can do that if I want to do that. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Tilray down. I'm out of the stock now. It's rubbish. Robinhood going sideways. I can live with sideways. Been buying the dip. My last time I bought in was at 8.49. It's not really worth buying anymore until it gets to 8. IonQ going up. Down though, Rocket Lab, we got the flights around the corner. That'll be good for SPCE. I buy the two in tandem. The two stocks work together. Okay. Procter & Gamble down. Defensive is down, which means we're about to get an explosion. When you see defensive down, it means where's the money going? It's about to go into growth stocks. Faraday, rubbish. Doesn't do anything. Rio Tinto, Bitcoin. Bitcoin today, nearly $36,000. Look at that. That will translate, I'm sure, to our crypto challenge with Sensei Crypto, who suggested we put $1,000 in here. That's all. $1,000 is now worth $2,198. Let's refresh it. $2,198. There we go. That hasn't moved at all today. It's been out the same. Looking very nice indeed. Going back to our crypto, we got Polygon. 4.6 today. I own all the Polygon I will ever need. Polygon is the currency of the internet, right? I use it to pay my gas fees on Ethereum, to move things around, my NFTs, stuff like that. And this is staked. I think it's earning 10% somewhere on one of my wallets, and it's up 4.73. That's absolutely fantastic, because if we look at that, look, 24% this week. So it's earning, I think 10%, and it just keeps going up. This is, oh my gosh, 43 in a month. Yeah, I've got all the Polygon I'll never need to buy any Polygon ever again to pay gas fees, because it's on the Polygon network, Matic, you can move Ethereum around for 1 cent, and I've got enough. So all I'm doing now is just holding it for an investment. So that's really good. XRP, I have a target of $7 now on Ripple XRP. It's not here. I don't own it here. I own it on my Coinbase, and I own it on my other wallets. Looking good. I only wish I could stake it. Right. Okay. We've got a new feature on YouTube now. If you look on the homepage of the YouTube, new feature. That's just arrived on YouTube. As we grow, things get better all the time. We've got a For You section. Right at the top, it's called For You. It's videos that it thinks you're more likely to want to watch. It could be live views, it could be shorts, it could be videos, whatever. It goes, we think you're going to like this. And for some reason, it thinks I want to watch the Blink review. It thinks, hey, Martyn, you want to watch your own video. You want to watch the Blink review. Do I? Okay, then. Well, maybe I'll watch it later on and I'll entertain myself. Anyway, you can see that if you have a little look. Now, if you look under the upcoming live streams, this is what it's all about. We've got the Virgin Galactic earnings tonight. It's going to be, now last time, it's going to be a big one. Last time we had 1,800 people on the earnings. Very excited about tonight. I think we'll go through 2,000, I think. So I'm going to give you the earnings link. So you can already put a like and a comment and whatever you want to do. There is the earnings. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. I'll pin it to the top. So there you go. There it is. That's right after this show. We'll close the bell and then we'll go into the Virgin Galactic earnings. And we are expecting the world's retail investors to be here representing the shares. That doesn't mean to say there's going to be 1 million bloody people in here. There'll be about 2,000, but that will represent 95% of the retail shares, because some people own 100,000, 200,000, 500,000 shares, or what have you. So let's see how that goes tonight. All right, okay. We'll leave that there. What else I want to show you? Yeah, that's I'm just getting ready for all my Virgin Galactic earnings. There it is on the screen. Okay, we've got all of that. All right. Let's read the comments. Who was here first? 157 says, Fatty. I wish I knew how to pronounce your name. Could you either call in one day? I think are you one of my members? Can you call into the show? I'd love to. Yeah, you are. You can call into the show. I'd love to know how you pronounce your name. Hi, says Tia Roll. Is it a members only stream? If it's busy, which it will be, I'm sure it will be. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be a members only stream. More than likely. Can we see the ledger balance? No, you bloody well can't, Sensei. Sensei wants to see my ledger balance. Do you? Anything else you want to see? You want to see my sock drawer? I mean, anything else? It's very personal, isn't it? Very personal. Well, look, I share everything, don't I? I share everything. Here's my ledger balance. 1,321. There you go. 1,321. There's my ledger balance on the screen for you. That's what I own. I have in my ledger. I have in the Coinbase. Let's have a little look. 2,198. There you go. Sensei's now going. He's doing his calculations. He's working it all out. He's working it all out. I don't know what he's working out. He's working out something, isn't he? He's always working out something, Sensei is. He's got a chart for everything. Right. Okay, here we go. Let me just do my face. There we go. Is it a members only stream? Yes. Just chat. Just chat. I haven't decided yet. Yeah, it will be a members only just chat, but I'd be really brave to go members only for the earnings. I could do it. If enough members convince me to do it. I tell you what, if I get a few super chats, if it's well supported, I might just do it. Just to show appreciation for the members. All right. Hey everyone, I honestly can't see. Let's have a look. I honestly can't see why Space is going to drop on earnings. No, it can't. Can't see why Space. Of course, it's not going to drop on earnings. That would be ridiculous. It'd be crazy. It was a good tactic to do a press release last night. Mustn't be any bad news or time to change management team, in my opinion. No. Okay, ITO, what could bring us Space? I don't know what the question means. Hey Joe, how are you, mate? Hi Craig, hi Stephen Lewandowski. Let's have a look. I want to hear the case for good upcoming revenue. Then I would consider Delph, guys. I'm going back balls deep in Space. If we miss the earnings. Evening, Stephen and Delph. Hi all, says Rob. Hi Craig, busy day because I couldn't get distracted on stocks today. How about you? Any view on earnings? I brought in at 138. Paris 23. Martin, I can't be a member right now, but hoping to just go to bronze in the new year. Just expensive few months with Christmas. I understand. You know, Rob Brennan, you can be a bronze member, just for like, I think it's $2. You don't have to be all, I know last time you were a gold member. You don't have to be a gold member, My average is 141, only 7,000. Only, there's nothing wrong with 7,200 shares, only 7,000 shares. Nothing wrong with that. Watching all, $75 a barrel, getting close to a buy. Buying 2,500 MTTR. That's crazy good result from the crypto challenge. I know. Sensei's done an amazing job. If you want Sensei's information, here is Sensei. We got benefits to our members, of course. They get special prices, special treatment. There is Sensei's link there. Go and check him out. He's one of our partners on the show. We've missed him. He's been away for a while. I don't know what he's doing. He's just messing around. He used to be here all the time. He's like messing around now. Anyway, let's have a look. I just bought 7,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. Hope you are right, Martin. 7,000 shares. My God, that's amazing. Yes, Rob, it's been great. Of course, Martin has bought some of his own and some donations. So maybe 200 inflated. Correct. We want to be totally correct about that. That's what Sensei's doing, his little calculations. People give me crypto tips, so there's a little bit of extra money there, but just a couple $100, really. Maybe 250. I've taken some off. So, but even so, we started with 1,000. So either way, it's doubled its value, whichever way you look at it. Not too bad, Jojo. Good, mate. There we go. Swing trade, MTDR. Martin, bad. Tilray still has big momentum. Term upside potential hardly rubbish. Mr. Kahine would turn in his grave. He's welcome to it. How do you people think investors will respond to Virgin Galactic earnings? Nina, well, we've been live on it all day. We've been discussing it all day. I referred you back to some of the earlier videos. All those still think $1 is on the cards at the end of a year unless they release passenger list before Christmas and Elon or someone's on board. Can we see the ledger balance? I just showed you the ledger balance. How many more bloody times? Unbelievable. Does anyone come into your house and say to you, oi, can you share us everything? I want to see what's in your cupboard. There's my ledger balance, 1,329. All right. Happy? Flipping heck. I feel violated. Everybody wants to see stuff. I'm only joking. I wish Mr. Kahine was still here, although it's kind of my fault. It is your fault. He was giving me super chats all the time. Mind you, you've taken over from that job, so I don't mind. You've been very, very good. You've been very, very good, which is bloody good, really. Increase your Tilray position, Mr. Lucas. Get out of it. I'm not doing it. You can't make me. You can't make me do it. Bill, Elasio, Space is going to $1. I love the way people say, it's always the same. People that are, I bet Elasio, is he not a member? I bet he's not. It's always the non-members. Let's have a look. Is it Eligio? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, Eligio's a member. Eligio's a member. What's going on? Eligio, why are you saying it's going to $1? There's no evidence to suggest it's going to $1 at all. None. I've said it can go to $1. It can. It doesn't necessarily, mean it's stuck at 155. But the valuation, undervaluation, to a certain degree, is here. This is where you buy it. At $1, we're just making up numbers. There's no evidence. There's no reason why. If you're going to say $1, you might as well say 5 cents. It doesn't mean anything. Anyway, what do I think? I don't think that for a second. I think it's possible. But it makes no sense. Martyn, can we see the 3 digits on the back of your credit card, please? Yes, 999. There it is. Virgin Galactic, $1 or $2. $1 or $2. It's going to 5 to 10. I'm not worried about this $1 to $2 rubbish. Sensei Crypto, yes, is getting very, very rude. Can we see your backyard? Hi, Crag. Henrik from Denmark. Hi, Stephen. Jojo. Famous last words. Every stock can also drop. Always drop. The stock market isn't always rational. Correct. It's not. Nearly time, guys. Yes, I only asked once. No, I saw it twice. Don't you give me that. I'm reading it through. You chase him off. He got scared, Jojo. I don't like dishonesty and bribery. That's right. He tried to buy me. He offered me 10 $500 super chats if I would constantly talk about Tilray Brands and say how brilliant it was. And I said, no, I'm not doing it. Well, you're not. Then in that case, then I'm not going to be a gold member anymore. This is the sort of stuff I get every day. Honestly, if I wanted to make money, I could make so much money. I get people every day want to pay me to say stuff, sponsor me, and we don't do it. We only take benefit. Benefit from sponsors who benefit you, like Sensei Crypto and now Alpha Spread and Melinda Source and Aviation. All those things because they bring value to the show, support the show, and we're here to help them. It's not about me selling to make loads of money. Just whatever. It's rubbish. I am still a Tilray fan, but I wouldn't pay Martyn to promote it. What do you mean you wouldn't? Well, you're no good. You're no good. I said to if you remember with Mr. Kahine, he said I'll give you 500 super chat, $500, 10 times 500. I said give it to me now, and then I'll buy some Tilray with it. He wouldn't do that. He wouldn't do it that way around. I think Space will either cross 120 or 190 tonight. Big swing incoming. Absolutely. Big moment soon. I'm optimistic, but also I don't understand why they announced a layoff one day before the... How can you not know? How many hours of a video have I explained? It's because it's what we asked for the earnings. How many times have I reported on the earnings? This is what the petition asked for. This is what we got. I said would be mentioned in the earnings. Said it for weeks and weeks and weeks. That's exactly what we have, exactly what we've got. And now you're saying, I don't understand why they announced a layoff one day before the earnings report. It's exactly what we asked for. That's why, Alex. That's why, bloody hell, I don't know how many times I got to say it. I'm going to stop my sponsorship because you don't cover XRP enough. Pump my bags. There we go. Oh, for God's sake, let's do some more XRP. I tell you what, I'll say XRP 10 times and the algorithm will pick it up and it will go, oh my God, it's an XRP channel. Sensei Crypto, Sensei Crypto, Sensei Crypto. Look at that. You're going to trend now, Sensei bloody Crypto. And why aren't you phoning in? Sensei Crypto, let me turn on the broadcast lounge, the broadcast lounge. There you go, I've turned it on. Broadcast lounge is open. If anybody wants to phone in, last chance to phone in, have your say with regard to Virgin Galactic or XRP or crypto or how much you love bloody Sensei bloody Crypto, bloody Sensei Crypto bloody. All right. Robinhood going sideways. Exactly what we want. Exactly what we want. I bought it down here. Bought another 100 this morning. 100 last night, 100 this morning. 200 shares of Robinhood in one day. Oh my God, can you believe it? It's mental, isn't it? Virgin Galactic 155. Darkness is here, Martyn. Can we see what's in your fridge for later? Darkness. Martyn, well, you got to spell my name correctly. First of all, you spelled it incorrectly. It's Martyn with a Y. So no, you can't see inside my fridge for later because you didn't spell my name right. Otherwise, I would have taken you to my fridge. Good afternoon, all. Just to change the subject for a second. Did anyone else at Lucid lost... Mark Saxby, I've been saying for a year before they announced it. You didn't put a comment. You didn't put a comment. It can't read it out. You've just... $1.99, you would have got a comment on that. $1.99, you could have put a comment on that. It could have read it out. Alex, you missed out on that one, mate. You missed out on that one. You should have done that. That was great. Thank you, Alex, for the super chat. Next time, put a bloody comment. Right. Listen, Mark Saxby, between me and you, mate, I've been telling people for over a year before the earnings came out, right? I have been saying consistently for a year to the Lucid investors who aren't investors at all, they're very violent, very aggressive scammers. They're awful people. And they're always attacking me. They're all banned now. They're like the BSV crowd. They're all banned from my channel. I said, and I've said consistently for 2.5 years, every single time Lucid sell a car, they lose $500,000 down to Peter Rawlinson literally robbing the business of money. He takes $500 million every year in wages, and the company cannot survive. It has to go private. The guy's a crook. I've said it over and over again. It's absolutely disgusting that it loses $500,000 every car, and yet he pays himself $500 million. How can you do that? It's ridiculous. Where else could you get away with that? So you've got to announce something that I've been saying for 2.5 years. Anyway, hey Martyn, what have you had for tea? I've had some very nice, old farmhouse loaf, crusty bread with jam and butter. I don't care. That's not the healthiest thing in the world. That's the food of life, that is. That's the food. Bread is the most natural food. Bread. I've always said this. People go, bread's terrible. Bread's a terrible food. I said, it's the basic food of life. And butter is natural from the cows, from the milk. And jam is strawberries and fruit. Get out of it. You telling me that if that's what takes me down, bread and jam, it can bring it on. That's my life. Tea and biscuits, Dunkin' biscuits in my tea, bread and jam, get out of it. Martyn, I know a guy who owns 26,000 shares. I know a guy who owns 100,000, 200,000, 500,000 shares at cost of 1073. He's losing. Yeah, everyone's losing at 1073, mate. He's losing like literally more than $350,000. Hopefully recover. Otherwise, he's broke. Hey, mate. Listen, I have been there. I was in there at $35. What he has to do, and what I have done, and this is not financial advice, but if you read the balance sheet, read the numbers, it's okay to sell at 1073. He should have sold at 9 or 8, all right? Even at a loss. And then buy back lower, because you end up with the same amount of shares, the same amount of money invested, except you posted a loss. So on tax, you actually benefit, because it'll offset all your taxes. If you've done it on your brokerage account, you won't pay any tax for the next year or two, and then buy it back and hold it. Why do you think Stephen Lewandowski sold thousands of shares of Virgin Galactic at a loss? He still holds a lot, but he's posted a loss. People always think, if they don't understand investing, it's always buy low, sell high. Oh, hang on. Why ain't it reading it out? Hang on. It's not reading it out. I got to do that again. It's not reading it out. Hang on a minute. Recent events. MSK just surprised me then with a super chat. What did he say? Let's try that again. Why is he not reading it out? What's going on? It should be reading it out. System audio. I don't know what's going on. Well, I got to read that now. It says, hang on a minute. What did it say? It said, okay, let me look at that. Well, MSK, this is going to really, Martyn Lucas, your family would like you to buy 5 shares of Tilray tonight, hold them for at least 1 year on your brokerage. Oh, hello. All right. Got Leah now, getting antsy. Yeah, my wife's coming in, banging the cup on the flipping coaster to letting me know that I've got a latte. She doesn't normally get antsy like that, I have to say. She's obviously had, she's had something in her tea today. Maybe she's not had any bread and jam. You can buy one of these mugs, by the way, underneath the video. If you've not yet bought one, buy one, sort it out. I don't know why that wasn't reading that. I'm going to check the system audio a minute because we need that tonight for the earnings.
Strategists are...
Yeah, system audio is working fine. I don't know why it didn't come through. I'm very upset.
Announcing layoffs 1 day before makes me concerned.
There we go. Now it's working. So we'll try JoJo's again. We'll try JoJo's again and see if it works this time. Yes, sometimes you've got to sell for a loss, Paris, and then let it drop and then buy it back. You improve your position. There's no point holding on and missing out. Sensei bloody Crypto. I've no idea why it's not reading Jojo S's out. It doesn't like Jojo S for some reason. Today's the day. Crypto, MSK, 199 super chat. Thank you, Alex. Paris, are you talking about space shares? Paris 23. Huge space news incoming. Oh, here he is. Listen, guys, I got to say, do not listen to M4 TTD. He says stuff that's not true all the time. I'm going to tell you that right off the bat. M4 TTD makes stuff up all the time. He likes the attention. He says stuff that isn't true. Don't listen to it. I've proved it over and over again. Okay, doesn't. He'll tell you Elon Musk is on the flight tonight. He'll tell you that the shares are going to $1 million. He'll tell you anything you like. He does it for a joke, I think. Delph, I love plug power. Yes, Martyn, can we see your wedding video and some photos of you as a child? Yeah, actually you can. Not wedding photos, because Leah wouldn't like that. There's no wedding photos allowed here. Leah says, I don't care what you do. It's up to you what you do, but you don't show pictures of me. I don't want to be on the camera. I'm not interested. But I will show you me as a child. You ready? You're going to love this. This is me, 6 months old. This is when I met Kenny Baker, who was R2-D2, the man inside the R2-D2 of Star Wars, and that's where my name came from, Martyn Lucas. So because of George Lucas, right? My family were friends, and R2-D2 Kenny Baker was my godfather, hence the name Martyn Lucas, right? That's me there, whatever, right? That's me just having met R2-D2. I was actually bigger than R2-D2 at the time. He couldn't believe it. He was quite scared of me, I can imagine. Anyway, let's keep on going. Almost as much as the CEO pays himself. Yeah, exactly. As the world turns, so does our days of our lives, there Bill says. Go, go, Joe, Joe, Joe. Darkness. Knew the spelling would get the shout out, my man. Let's hope Virgin go all the way around 50 shares. If not much, but it's all about how much you can lose. Hey, listen, our channel is about everyone. We've got people with millions of shares. We've got people with 1 share. Everyone's the same. Makes no difference whatsoever. Everyone's got a different budget. You know, it's got nothing to do with it. You could be an investor and have your money in something else. It doesn't matter. You know, don't worry about that. Here we go. Good luck on Virgin Galactic. You will get an indirect mention in the earnings. Well done on your relentless work you do for Virgin Galactic. You will get an indirect mention in the earnings. He's just telling me what I told him. I know we're going to get a mention in the earnings, but he doesn't know that. He doesn't know that at all. He pretends he does. $500 million, Rob Brennan. $500 million, correct. $500 million a year, Peter Rawlinson pays himself on a company that loses $500,000 on every car. Yeah, You heard it right. Totally agree with you, mate. You just can't believe they are still around. Exactly. I reckon you could just about afford to rent a 2-bedroom flat in London on $500 million salary. How can he be down 350 grand if he only had 260,000 worth of stock? That's a very good question, Sensei. Yeah, how could he be down 350 grand if he only had 260,000? Yeah, he'd be minus. Virgin Galactic would be paying him to hold the shares, right? Anyway, I'm tempted to buy more, but I feel it's sensible to wait for the earnings reaction. Nice one, Jojo. Not that was Jojo, not me. Jojo surprised you. Okay, I'm confused now. Computer says no. I did the same. Sold half my space valued at 15 and 20 recently, posted a loss, but bought back now and have more shares than before. Beautiful tactic. Seth Houston, you are welcome. You are welcome. You've posted a tax loss, which means you won't pay taxes, and now you've bought more shares for less. It makes sense. Some people just think you never sell when you're going down. They watch too many YouTube videos from people who haven't got a clue about investing, and they go, all you got to do is buy low and sell high. Never sell. Never. Of course you sell. Of course you sell. You got to manage your portfolio. Thanks, Leah. Did you see the Snoopy I sent Martyn? Did you see the Snoopy I sent Martyn? I haven't seen a Snoopy. Where's that? I haven't seen that. Where's that? He said 26,000 shares, not 260 worth of stock. Yeah. Hello, Martyn. Burke. How are you, Burke? Good to see you, Burke. Collargaloo. How are you, Burke? Lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. Where did all that hair go? I know. That was my mum's wig, by the way. I know. I had amazing hair, right? Email was sent to all Virgin Galactic employees on November the 7th. Did you read it on the... Ramen, where have you been? Ramen? Not only did I read it, I read it within about 5 seconds it was posted. I knew it was going to be released. That's what the petition was for. We've said time and time again, that's what it was all about. So yes, I read it. And not only did I read it, I actually made a video on it. 3 videos, in fact, within minutes of it coming out. Here is the video. Here is the video, and here is the letter. If you look here, you will see. Here. Look, there's the letter on the screen. There's the letter from Michael Cole Glazier. The only thing is, when they, for some reason, this is why Virgin Galactic need a good marketing department. They haven't got a clue how to do the marketing, and they are terrible at understanding how people read their website. It's a great website, lots of gadgets and lots of fancy stuff, lots of plugins, but you can't read anything. The text is so flipping small. So if you notice, can you see on the video here, I had to take the text, put it into Word, turn on dark mode, and actually make the text so people could actually read it. It's insanely small. Of course, it's okay, you can zoom in, but if you're trying to present the page like I do on a TV screen, it was incredibly small, and things like that they need to think about. Anyway, just little details. So yes, Raman, I knew about that. Did you ever meet Warwick Davis? I know Warwick Davis. He was in Willow. No, I didn't. I never met Warwick Davis. No, but he was in Willow. Martyn, with all your influence and the people you know, talk with Elton John. Have him go on a flight and sing Rocket Man. Can you sing this? Can you see the stock price? I think he means AIJ. That would be good, wouldn't it? That would be good. That's why I recorded Anybody Out There in Space, the Virgin Galactic song. And I said I'd spend up to $1 million of money made on the song if everyone shared it and played it. A couple of thousand of you have played it, but it didn't get shared, unfortunately. So I only earned about $30. I've only made about $30. If everybody shared it, then it would make more money, and I would spend up to $1 million on Virgin Galactic shares. Happy to do it, but unfortunately, not enough of you have shared it. Anyway, puts paying for me once it stops. I'm buying long for sure. Vin IVV, how are you tonight? Tia Roll, if he knows you will be mentioned, that sounds like good knowledge. If he knows you will be mentioned. Tio Roll, he doesn't know. He just makes up stuff. He just makes up that he knows everybody at Virgin Galactic. He doesn't. He doesn't. Because every time he says stuff, I can prove it's not even true. All right? Fact checker. Sensei strikes again. Good luck to everyone for earnings tonight. I'm not in at the moment, but maybe one day. Rob Brennan was one of our famous Virgin Galactic investors. We won't talk about it now though. Little share for you to watch or look out. His ATM is Coro Bio, ticker KRRO. If you are one of my members to the channel, I will happily do a full back test review. Look at the insider trading. I will make contacts at the company. I will show you the margins, the balance sheet, the debt, the whole works, and do a full technical analysis. And I'm happy to do that if you are one of my members. All right. M4TD, how will they refer to Martyn? Prominent social media figure. I hope not. The downtrend today is angry. Laid off staff, dumping their shares perhaps. I don't know about that. The way it's moved today, I think it's got more to do with institutions ready to buy it back on the earnings. That's what I think. Layoffs often happen just before earnings so that their forecasts show much lower wage costs and more profitable forecasts. I think Sensei... I think Sensei did the math. 26,000 shares at 10.75. Sensei's always doing the maths. You can't get round Sensei. Thank you so much. What about you? I'm eagerly awaiting tonight's broadcast. I am very well, Burke. Lovely to have you here. Raman says, great. Oh, I missed the price. Thank you, Jojo. I met Warwick Davis and Kenny Baker in Telford some years ago. Telford, hang on. I did the theatre in Telford. It's called the Circle or not the Octagon. Is it the Civic at Telford? I did the Telford Theatre with One Night in Vegas. It's near Birmingham. And what's it called? Telford. It's a very small theatre. It's about 300 seats. I did One Night in Vegas there. Very nice audience. I wonder because Warwick Davis also played... Wicket in Ewok and the Return of the Jedi. Oh, did I? Did he? Oh, yeah. What does Sensei think about Chronos? Delph, Sensei is the man to talk about. Sensei is the man to... Oh, look, I've just seen something. I've got a new feature. New feature, folks. New feature. Woo, 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 woo. New feature. Look here on the homepage. Look on the video. Look on the video. See this, look. Right on the screen. Look at that. Look at that. It's a mug. It literally, the AI looks at what I'm drinking. Look at that. It's a new thing on Google. The things that are in your shop that you put on the screen. Look. See that? Look. My mug's on the screen. My lucky mug. And there it is in the shop under the video. And if you click on that, look at this. This is AI scary. Oh, page not found. Page not found. Well, that's rubbish. That'll teach you, won't it? That'll teach you. Page not found. Go to home page. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Look at that. Is that good or what? See? You're watching it, and it brings it up on the show. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. You're impressed with that, aren't you? You're impressed with that. You should be impressed with that. I think everyone should buy a mug for tomorrow. Take pictures, send them in, and then I'll put them on the show. We'll have a video of everybody with a mug. Right. Sent another Snoopy in space for Leah. What do you mean you sent a Snoopy in space? I've no idea. Are you all right, Stephen? You're not making much sense tonight, mate. Little Blighter, very cool. What did Little Blighter do? Oh, I see. Okay. Breakfast bar. In general chat. Okay, I'm going there now. Martyn, what do you think about Disney at its current price? I'm going to do a review on Disney next week. No, it worked. No, it worked for me. No, it worked for me. What was that? What worked for you, mate? What worked for you? The little button under the thing? The little mug thing? Did it work for you? Hang on then. Let me try it again. Hey, there it goes. Look at that. Right. So what I need to do, I need to come out with something else. I need to come out with a hat on, and then my hat comes up. Look at that. There's the mug. There's the mug. It's on the screen. It's on the screen. You click on it, and boom. There you go. You too can have a mug just like me. Brilliant. I love it. See, this is where AI has gone mental, isn't it? Is it good? Is AI a good thing? It's a good thing if it sells me mugs, to be honest. If it sells me more mugs, it's a very, very good thing. Your mug link, it worked for you. Yeah. Viniv. And by the way, if you get one, if you buy a mug during the show, it appears on Discord and we can all celebrate. Everyone goes, hey, someone's bought a mug. We don't know who's bought a mug. It's anonymous. It doesn't tell you who it is, but it says someone did it. So somebody go and buy something. You can buy a jigsaw, a hat, a scarf, pair of socks, a Christmas. You can buy a t-shirt, any size, any color. You can buy phone case, a beer mug. You can buy anything you want. Somebody buy something now during the show and it'll come up on Discord and we can all celebrate and try and guess who bought it. Anyway, so YouTube won't let the video play in the corner of my phone while in other apps. YouTube won't let the video play in the corner of my phone while in other apps anymore. That's because you're not a YouTube Premium customer. If you're YouTube Premium, it does. And then you don't see any adverts anymore. So if you like the show, want to support the show, but don't want to see adverts on your phone, you just get YouTube Premium. It gives you loads of benefits. You don't see any more ads and you can watch it in the corner and you can hear it like a podcast. See, it's in Discord. Right, I'm in bloody hell, Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius. It's chaos tonight. Who's in the broadcast lounge? Nobody phoning in. Why am I in here? Breakfast bar. Let's have a look. All right, here we go. We've got Mike. Mike is sending me pictures in. I don't care if it's not healthy. I love it. See, I'm the same as Mike. Sod it. I'm 50. What? How old am I? 54? Yeah, I'm 54. If I can't eat bread and butter, what's the point of living? Seriously, what's the point of living? Right? No marmalade though, Mike. Is that it, Jojo? This is what you got me out here? This is, you rubbed my lamp. You got me out of here. This is why I'm here, to look at that. Is that it? Is that all I'm here for? To look at you, smiley face. You brought me over here. You woke me up after 30,000 years inside this genie's lamp. General Chitch. Oh. Snoopy in space for Leah. I love it. Virgin Galactic, everybody. Snoopy is now in space. I'm loving it. Right. I want everyone on Discord, all my members, because only members can do it, right? All my members go into Discord and give it a like for Stephen Lewandowski. He took a lot of effort. He got on the rocket for Virgin Galactic, went up, took Snoopy with him, had him dancing around the spaceship. So go and sort that out, right? Everyone, go and give him a little like. I like that. I like it. All right. That's okay. I'll just slap you on the big screen. There you go. Big screen. Viniv saying, I don't know what Viniv is saying. The wonders of AI. The wonders. Martyn Lucas, in a happy mood, is generally the best thing to watch. The enthusiasm is contagious. Yes, it is. It's what like's about. Right, Mike's done it. I knew Mike would do it because he's the only one who actually bothers. If I'm honest, Jojo S, okay, I'll do it as well then. Bloody hell, I'll do it as well. Right? Jojo, we've got 3 likes now to Snoopy in space. Snoopy in space deserves more than that. 15 minutes to go. We're getting ready for the earnings. Who's excited? Bring it on. I'm excited. Are you excited on TikTok? Look at this. This is everybody on TikTok. Shall we have a bit? I tell you what, the TikTokers, we've got 37,000 TikTokers now. 37,000 TikTokers. The first person on TikTok, right, who clicks the little star at the top, becomes one of my subscribers. I will, hang on, search. I will promote your account to my 37,000 followers, make a little video and get everyone to follow you. You ready? Okay. So over on TikTok, see the little star at the top, click on the star. The first person to do it, become a subscriber to my TikTok account, I will tomorrow make a video and promote your profile. The first person, only one person. I will go and I will record a video, put it on my account, and invite everyone to go and follow you on your TikTok account. So if you want to blow up on TikTok, I guarantee you'll get hundreds of followers within minutes. I guarantee it. I've done it for all my subscribers. They love it. Probably 1,000 followers actually within minutes. If you want to do that and you get 1,000 followers, I think it is, you can go live and stuff like that. 10,000, you can start earning money. So if you want that, I'll do it. The first person. Those of you that are watching me on everywhere who are thinking, where the bloody hell is his TikTok account? I didn't even know he had one. I've got everything. All right, I've got everything. Here's my... I've even got a mug that glows and gets you to buy it. It's brilliant. Here is my TikTok. Jump on TikTok right now. We got 15 minutes before we go into the earnings. Let me give it to my rumblers. Here's my rumblers. Let's give it to the rumblers. There we go. There's my Rumble audience. I'll give it to you. We're on the homepage of Rumble again today. That's nice. We'll go over to my Facebookers and my Twitchers. Oh, yeah. You didn't know I was on all these places, did you? There we go. There we are on Twitch. There we are on X. Right. We've got a poll, by the way, I need you all to vote on in a minute. Right. We'll give everyone the link. There's X, look. There's X. TikTok there. Post. Okay. Post. Brilliant. There's our stock twits as well. We won't put it on there. People will only have a go at me. They'll go, oh, what's that got to do with stocks? Right. I'll put that in the comments. Hey, we got another like. Not many people like what's going on TikTok. They always watch on YouTube. It's always nice when you get a little like. It's nice. All right, I think we've done that. Now then, we had a little poll earlier. We had a little poll. And, Virgin Galactic's trying to go up now. People are buying it. People are buying it. Right, here. We had a little poll earlier. We had a little poll about an hour ago, and it's gone right to my head. We had a little poll, and the poll was, will tonight's earnings be good for the stock? 43 votes. Only one person posted it because you're lazy. I've told you before about the laziness. It's really a bad thing. A lot of Virgin Galactic investors are lazy. There you go. There's the poll if you want to go and vote on it. 55% say, will tonight's earnings be good for the stock? Please vote and comment on the poll. I know, unlike what M4TTD says, no idea what that means, M4TTD. But anyway, no matter what he says, even though he says people at Virgin Galactic know all about you, I know they do, and I know they've seen this poll today. I know. So go and vote on it. Go and post it. Go and share it onto Virgin Galactic's account. AI robots, scary. Right, in the bar. What's going on in the breakfast bar? Is there something else going on? Have I missed something? Hey! Look at this. They're all showing off now. Look at it. Look, Snoopy is now more famous on TV than Mike. Look at that. We've got 7 Martyn Lucas Investor badges, 3 thumbs up, 1 smiley face, and 1 sort of silly face. I don't know who used that one. Who uses that one? No one uses that anymore, do they? Anyway, look at that. We've got all these people that liking and liking and liking. Oh, Renatha Ibarra. Renatha's just joined in. Craig's joined in. Mike, and Stephen Lewandowski. He likes the likes. You can't like the likes. That's just pushing your luck, mate. If you do something and people like it, you can't like the like. That's because then someone's going to like. And then you know what happens then? Then you get 3 likes in a row. Telford Theatre was called The Place. But the council changed it recently to an amazing new name, Telford Theatre. The Place, that was it. I think that was it. I don't remember the name Place, but anyway, I did it years ago. They've now named it Telford Theatre. Brilliant. I think The Place was better. Okay, thanks, Martin. What are you saying okay to? Limit order, 35,000 set for 140 on space. What do you think, mate? Do you think it'll execute? Do I think it'll go to 140? No. No, I don't. I don't think it'll go to 140. I wish you the best of luck. Listen, AI, this is how you got to think about it. Why are you buying Virgin Galactic? Because you want to go from 140 to 150? Or do you want to go from somewhere around about now to $10 to 20 to 50 to 100? Well, that's what I want to do. I don't care whether it's 151, 141, 140. Who cares? It might go down to 140. It might go to 139. Don't know. All I know is it's massively undervalued at this level, so who cares? I'm buying it. I just buy more if it's dramatically cheaper. But as far as trying to get a magic number, because, I mean, there's no magic number left. There's no chart will tell you it's going to go anywhere. So, you know. What's up, said Ed. General chit chat. I've seen it. Hot toast on butter. I'm loving it. Sam, there's the man who cares, who changes a rainy day into sunshine. How's it going, Rocket Man? How's it going? You know how it's going. You should know how it's going. She packed my bag last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 a.m. I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not a man they think I am at home. Oh no, oh no. I'm a virgin rocket man. Oh yeah, you can't believe it, right? You can't believe it. All right. There you go. Got the same name for sure. TikTok, tickety-tock. Here we go. Scrolling XRP, the biggest position in my portfolio now. MSK. No matter where I roam. No matter, is that Boyzone? Is that Boyzone? All right. We've gone from the voice of Sir Elton John to Irish. No, Boyzone. No matter what they call us. No matter what they say, no matter if they take us, we'll find out on we're back. If I believe. There we go. There's a bit of no matter what for Jojo. Jojo's going, that wasn't exactly where I was going, but I'll take it. Thanks for all the likes. For Discord Snoopy. Don't milk it, Stephen. Don't milk it. It's just my show. Don't come on here and trying to get famous with your flipping Snoopy. You want to get famous? Build a bloody YouTube channel. Build a YouTube channel. None of this larking around with I put Snoopy on Discord nonsense. A little bird whispered to me that ER will be good. Earnings. Yes. Mark Saxby, the place is now Oaken Gates Theatre. The Oaken Gates. That was the name of it. Oaken Gates Theatre. That was it. Oaken Gates Theatre, that was the name. That's the one. Oscar Sabata Amangol. Hi, he says. How are you? I'm from Spain. Hang on a minute. This might be our first person from Spain. We've got members in 43 countries. Do we have Spain? We have Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand, Georgia, Iceland, Hungary, and India. We have no member from Spain. Oscar, if you become a member, you will fly the flag forever from Spain. And you'll get lots of perks and benefits. You'll be our very first member from Spain. It's only a couple of bucks, and you get 20 times back what you put in. That's a promise. That's why 95% of my live viewers are members. You need a browser if you are on an iPhone, or you use the browser desktop version. Otherwise, everything else works. Computers, laptops, iPads, Android, whatever. This is exciting. I'm now going to... we'll buy the Delta ship is our mission. Yes, I'm all in. Let me just speak to Oscar in Spanish. Here he is. English. Okay, English. Welcome, Oscar, to the show. You are the first person who could be our first member from Spain. We have members in 43 countries. We are live up to 10 hours a day, and we aim to be the most honest, real, live YouTube channel in the world. I was voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. I have a music channel, and this is my investment daytime channel. Become a member, and we will celebrate you, and welcome to the show. Okay. Here we go. In Spanish. He would be the first member from Spain to become a member. Here we go.
Bienvenido Oscar al programa. Eres la primera persona que podría ser nuestro primer miembro de España. Tenemos miembros en 43 países. Estamos en vivo hasta 10 horas al día y nuestro objetivo es ser el canal de YouTube de la vida real más honesto del mundo. Votado por Sir Elton John como el pianista mundial. Tengo un canal de música y este es mi canal diurno de inversión. Conviértete en miembro y te celebraremos y te daremos la bienvenida al espectáculo.
There you go. Let's see if he does it. We just got a request here. Do I know Rick Astley? Everybody, copy and paste Rick Rolled. Copy and paste Rick Rolled. Do it now. Are you ready? Everybody, copy and paste. I don't use any effects. Look, when I turn this button here, all it does is gives me echo. Doesn't change my voice. See? There's no tricks to this. This is me live. But you ready? Everyone, copy and paste Rick Rolled. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna let you cry, never gonna let you by, never gonna say goodbye without you. I forgot the words, but you got the idea. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. All right. Do you know what? I think without a shadow of a doubt, I should get some, I think that was definitely worth a super chat. If I was on the street and I was singing that on the street, everyone would throw me $1. They would, wouldn't they? If I was on the street right now, everyone would throw me $1. So how many people are watching right now? I've got 99 people watching. Everyone throw me $1, and all the money I get in super chats, I will buy Virgin Galactic. How about that? The money I get now for that impression of Rick Rolled, Rick Astley, I will buy Virgin Galactic shares. Is that fair enough? Is that fair enough? All right, I think it's fair enough. Whatever super chat I get in the next couple of minutes, I will buy Virgin Galactic shares. I think I deserve one after that. Right, okay, here we go. We're coming down to the last minute before the bell goes. Are we going to go up in the after hours? Pavarotti for Oscar. Barcelona, mio me strajka soin me, hila mi ane sam sapra, no, ce la bacheca quando splendara, all'alba vincerò. I could do the whole thing, but I didn't get any super chats for us, so I thought, sod it. I ain't going to do it. Right. Holla, my friend. Oscar can explain so much money is spent and does not say what. Can explain how so much money is spent. Little blighter. Have you heard of Telford? If you pay Telford, I'll buy a pint. I might do it again one day. Hey, Oscar, I saw Coldplay in Barcelona. I can do Coldplay in Catamalan. I love you so much, Martin. Love you too, mate, Delph. Okay. Become a member then. Never going to give you up. Never. Rick Rolled. Here we go. Right. We're going to ring the bell on Virgin Galactic. Here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The bell is now gone. We're in the after hours. Virgin Galactic earnings will be out any second now. The money I get in super chats, in the next couple of minutes, I will buy Virgin Galactic shares with it for my Rickroll. I wish Robin had just clean up, had just clean up for crypto. I wish Robin had just clean up for crypto. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Okay, we've got, I've been following you here on X for a long time. Oscar. Yes, Mr. Lucas, make your purchase of Tilray. Jojo bought you. No, all the money goes into Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic. Earnings are any minute now. Earnings are any minute now. So, here we go. Now then, if you just arrived, tap subscribe. There we go. I've got so far I got $4 to spend on Virgin Galactic. That's it. Right. Okay. Now then, we need to tap the like button. We're going to go into the earnings any second from now. Let's go into the likes. We've got 115 watching. Let's get ready to rock and roll. And 42 likes. We need 60 likes, and then we're going to go into the earnings. Let's go, everybody. 60 likes. Let's go, 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 go. Super chat was for Tilray. I said I'm not buying Tilray. I told you I'm not buying Tilray. I told you I'm not buying Tilray. Get out of it. You can't make me do it. You can't change the rules, Mr. Lucas. Yes, I can. I said I'll buy Virgin Galactic. I never said I'll buy Tilray. I didn't say that. Right, 42, 43. We need 60 likes, and then we're going straight into Virgin Galactic earnings. Let's go. Let's go. 2 shares.
2 shares, lol, Snoopy, lol.
2 shares for Snoopy. Come on then. Here we go. Virgin Galactic. They're expecting a 43 cents per share loss. They're expecting a 43 cents per share loss. We are watching it. 51. We're about to go into the earnings. The earnings will be released any second now. We need a couple more likes. Do you know what? I'm not going to hang around. 53. 53. We're doing all right. Very slow though tonight. Very slow because everyone's waiting on the other show for the earnings. 54. 55. Very, very good indeed. I want my money back. Well, phone up the CEO of Google and say, I want my money back. Oh. I said all the super chats were going to Virgin Galactic. Didn't say Tilray. Right. Are you covering MODG earnings? I would cover it for you if you were a member of my channel. Yes, I do all the earnings for all my members, and I do all of the reviews and back tests, which then appear on Alpha Spread above CNBC and Jim Cramer. They all go there, my reviews now, so you can go and check that out. And by the way, you know, I said that earlier. I think some of you went, that can't be right. He can't have his reviews above CNBC and Yahoo Finance and stuff like that. Is that true? Is that really true? Is that really true? Did you wake me up? Did you get me out of my lamp? Yes, it is true. This is Alpha Spread, the number one intrinsic value website in the world. This is a phenomenal platform, and we post news here from CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Jim Cramer's over here as well. But if we look down here in the news section, underneath all the reviews of this company, I've just looked at Sabre. If I just picked one at random, and there I am. Look. There I am. There's my review. So I now do analytics. I now analyze for Alpha Spread. If you look here, there was CNBC, there was Morningstar. Yeah, say Martyn Lucas is better. There we go. And all the reviews that I've done appear here on Alpha Spread. So yeah, it's good, isn't it? Do you like that? I like that. It makes me feel good. When 2.5 years ago I was playing the piano, and now I'm outranking Bloomberg and CNBC. Not joking. All of my reviews go on here. Right. Okay. Very, very exciting. Okay. Jojo super chatting you to buy Tilray for $10. Did he? Yeah, but I said I wasn't buying Tilray. I'll never give you up, my precious Virgin Galactic shares, not unless you hit 100. No more super chat. Strike, strike, strike. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it, we beat. Hang on. Drum roll, please. Ladies and gentlemen, have we beaten on earnings? It's not showing. Right, I tell you what, we need to get onto the earnings now. We need to get onto the earnings. So what we're going to do is we're going to end this show and the earnings is going to start in the next couple of minutes, okay? So let me give everyone the link for the earnings. This is the earnings link. We're going to be there right now. We're going to go there right now, okay? If you look here, upcoming live stream, Virgin Galactic, there it is. That's the earnings. Last time we had 1,800. We're expecting 2,000 now. At least 2,000 because we have the world's retail investors represented. Let me give you the link. The link is in the chat. You can get the link or you can go there. I'll give it you 3 times so you can see it. You've all seen it, all right? Okay. Virgin Galactic. Oh, who sold it? Who sold out? Who sold out? Who sold out? Chap. Fantastic. What a massive... Whoa! I'm not going to be smug and say I told you so, but I am going to say I told you so. Sod it. You know, when you sit here for 2.5 years, you take all the crap from the shorters. We get the $2, we're going to short squeeze. 100%, 100%. Now let's see who FOMO's in. Now let's see who starts to buy it. Now let's see who starts to buy it. I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. It's very, very exciting. It's not a surprise, though. It shouldn't come as a surprise to you. If you are an investor, if you've done your homework, you will know why we've beaten. You will know. And I want to say, just before we go to the official earnings, this has happened because of us together. Because I've sat here for 2.5 years with you. My members have supported all the live shows, made it all possible. Without you, I wouldn't have made any money at all. I wouldn't have survived. And I took all the crap from all the shorters and all the scammers and all the bots and all the people trying to spread false information. I never gave up. I said we'd build the biggest, most honest, the best YouTube channel in the world. It is. We are growing. We are still small, but we are growing at the highest engagement rate of any channel, the highest membership of any channel, including Mr. Beast. Percentage-wise, 98% of my live viewers now are members. It's off the scale. And we've assembled the world's biggest investors for Virgin Galactic. I'm now working on Rocket Lab and others. I'm looking at Kenview as well to assemble those. We're now doing reviews for the biggest websites in the world. So we are growing. And we are a family, and we are real, and we are honest. So thanks to all of you for doing this. Thanks to all of you sticking together, signing the petition, sharing my videos, even though you're very lazy on X still. On X, you're still lazy. You like, but you hardly repost. Rubbish. Start getting involved, sharing my song. Anybody out there in space, I will spend up to $1 million on the stock from the money I make on the video. All you've got to do is share the flipping link. That's all you've got to do. It will share the story of Virgin Galactic. Everybody will hear about it. I'll make $1 million and I'll spend it on Virgin Galactic, all right? I've told you I'm going to do it. So look, Martyn Lucas, Virgin Galactic song. There it is, Virgin Galactic song. There is the song. There's the Virgin Galactic song. All you've got to do, it's had 2,000 views. It made $30. Nothing. That's all it's made. However, if you click the share button underneath it and you all share it, if every single person shares it and it goes viral, I will spend up to $1 million from the money I make on that video. It's right there. All you've got to do is do it. So, if you want the stock to go up, get on with it. All right. Okay. It's time to get out of here. Let's roll the credits. We're going straight over now to the Virgin Galactic earnings. It starts in 50 minutes. You're not going to miss it. You're not going to miss a thing, so don't worry about that. I'm going to now give you the link, which will take you directly there, so you don't even have to leave your chair. It'll do it for you automatically. The earning starts here. Okay, that's been done for you. Virgin Galactic is going up 4.5% in the after hours. This is not a surprise at all. Those of you that were dumping it and trying to buy it lower, that time has come and passed. Okay, that time has come and passed. All right, there might be an opportunity, but the chances of it going up are 99% compared to 1%. So still undervalued. But if you're waiting to buy it for 149 or some silly number like that, you're wasting your time. Right, let's get out of here. Let's roll the credits. And we'll be right over there with the Virgin Galactic earnings. Roll the credits. We had lots of support today in the show, so we want to celebrate that. Here we go. And thanks to the stars of our show, subscribers, G-Back, Jaden, Super Chats from Alex, Jojo S, Mike1668, Stephen Lewandowski. Thanks to all of you. Earnings beat, yes, no surprise. And next quarter will be even better. We're going to hear from the team in just a few minutes' time, and we will no doubt get some great news. All right, let's have a quick cup of coffee. Great, innit? It's brilliant. Remember, guys, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. As long as the information is real and honest and you study, you can't go wrong. If you put the work in and never give up and don't listen to the naysayers, never ever listen to the shorters, don't care. That's one to do. I don't want to miss a thing. I don't want to miss a thing. I'll do that. I will do that. Oh, it's going up now. We're up 7%. It's up 7% now. This is not retail investors. This is exactly as I said it would be. What you've got now is institutions who dumped it this morning. I told you, and they're buying it back. You can't drive this. This isn't you. I know, because I've spoken to about 10 of the highest retail investors over the last 24 hours. 4 o'clock this morning, I was on the phone, and I know they're not selling. I know they're not buying. They're just holding. What's happened today, the institutions have dumped it because they tried to shake off capitulation. They tried to shake off the retail investor. Many of you did sell. Many of you did give up, but it wasn't you that moved the stock price. It was the big money that moved it. They're now buying it back, and we could see a $2 to $3 tomorrow. And if that happens, it's going to short squeeze to $10. I told you exactly it would go down to 150. I bought exactly to the penny where it was today, 157. I predicted that. I told you it's going to $100 many, many times. I told you it was going to short squeeze. I told you who was buying it, who was selling it, and we would get change. All of that has happened. I will see you on the earnings. 2 minutes. Take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto, and each other. Join me